Shout, Jason Crabb. So this has a couple different guitar parts, but I'll just show you what I do in the beginning. So there's with the two guitar parts, you can pick what you want to do. If you want to do some swell stuff in the beginning, or what I'm doing, because we have two electric guitars. One of us is doing swells, and the other one is doing with a dotted eighth note delay. It's just on the D string on the 5th fret. You're just kind of which is a G. It's a G. So I mean, that's all. They're just, if you just listen to the album. For the verses, that's pretty much all they're doing. And they throw a little, go up to the A there once in a while. That's all it is for the verses. Pretty simple. You can be doing that, or just some, easy swell stuff. So for the, they're using a glass slide and stuff too. But so for the chorus, what I do is I'm up on the 12th fret. So with the G string and the B string, so 12 on the G, 13 on the B. So that's your C note. So the chorus starts off with C. So if I shout, so the first chorus is down. So I'll just hit these notes higher up here and let it hang out. Just do some swell stuff. So there's your C. So if I shout, I'm shouting for how it's been washed clean. If I run, you're just on the 12th, both the G and the B. That's the second line. If I run, now I'm running from a past that's been redeemed. Back to the C. To the world it might look crazy. There's just no telling what you're going to do. The E minor is the same as the G. And then in that moment is the C. Jesus gets. Up to the D. Back to the G. So at the end of the chorus, there's the interlude. So the lead for the interlude starts on B12. I'll play it through full speed, then I'll slow it down. That's wrong. Sorry. Okay, so it starts on 12B, and then you're going to 14G, down to the 12, back to 12B, then you do it a second time, but instead of going to the 12B, you come up to the 15th on the B string, and then down to the 12. So you just do that twice. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Second time, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Let that hang out, and then you're back to your verse, and you can do your whatever you want to do for your verses there. That's the interlude. So the second chorus, the higher choruses, the way I typically play those. So I'm starting on my C, and I'll just kind of be strumming up and down on those notes. Just kind of back and forth like that. This is just my practice amp, so I don't have all the effects I typically have, some more reverb and stuff to kind of fill up that space. But that's kind of all I'm doing. So starting on that C for If I Shout. So here in the chorus, if I run, know I'm running from the past. On past, there's a little walk down that starts on a D. So it's up here on the 15. You're just going D, C, B, A, and then you're back to that C to the world. Okay, so That's just a little walk down. Listen to the album, you'll hear it in there. Just finish out. It's a little crazy. There's just no telling what you're gonna do. In that moment, Jesus gets a hold, and then you're back at your lead. So for the bridge, a simple really again is just 12B. There's carry on now, my sisters, down to the 8. Back up to the 12. Carry on now, my brothers. Carry on now, my sisters. Which is 12 and 8. That's pretty much the whole bridge. And then as it picks up, you can just add some more strumming. Carry on now, my brothers. Carry on now, my sisters. And what I like to do at the end of the bridge, leading back into the chorus, it's that same run. You go, so you'd be here. Carry on now, my brothers. Carry on now, my sisters. If I shall, then you're back to that chorus. I like to do that little walk down to get back into the chorus, but then you're just back at your normal chorus. I and it just ends on that B note. You just let it hang out. So that's pretty much it. Have fun. Whatever effects you have. I mean, effects are just a taste. You can try and copy how they do it on the album, but I mean, I don't tell people like, hey, do this type of effect or this certain thing on this setting. Just do it however you reverb, delay, distortion, whatever you use. Just do it till you think it sounds good. It's the best way. You got to make it your own thing too. So that's just how I do it.
For